Good afternoon, students. In the previous videos, we learnt about the different groups of drugs, their causes and effect of drug and alcohol abuse. This video is about prevention and control of drug and alcohol abuse. In this video, we are going to discuss about the prevention and control of drug and alcohol abuse. The adage means the proverb. The adage of prevention is better than cure holds true here also. It's also true that habits such as smoking, taking drug and alcohol are most likely to be taken up at a young age and more during adolescence. Hence, it's best to identify the situations that may push an adolescent towards use of drugs or alcohol and to take remedial measures well in time. Parents and teachers, they have a special responsibility. Some of the measures mentioned here would be particularly useful for prevention and control of alcohol and drug abuse among adolescents. What are the different measures? Number 1 is avoid undue peer pressure. Number 2, education and counseling. Number 3, seeking help from parents and peers. Number 4, looking for danger signs. Number 5, seeking professional and medical help. These are all the measures to prevent and control drug and alcohol abuse. Let us study one by one in detail. First of all, avoid undue peer pressure. Every child has her or his own choice and personality, which should be respected. A child should not be pushed to perform beyond her or his limit, beyond her capacity in sports, in studies or other activities. So, each and every child has his own personality and it should be respected. We should not pressure them to perform beyond their limit, beyond their capacity in sports, studies or other activities. Now, let us move on to the second one, education and counseling. We have to educate them and we have to give counseling to face problems and to accept disappointments and failures as a part of life. In our life, we will have many problems and also we will face disappointments and failures, but we have to take all these as a part of life. For that, we have to give counseling to them and we have to channelize their energy, child's energy towards sports, reading, music, yoga and other extracurricular activities. In this way, we can control and prevent alcohol and drug abuse. And the third one is seeking help from parents and peers. Help from parents and peers should be sought immediately so that they can guide appropriately. So parents and peers can guide appropriately. Help may even be sought from close and trusted friends. Besides getting proper advice to sort out their problems, this would help young to vent their feelings of anxiety and guilt. Vent means expose their feelings of sorrow and guilt. Then next measure is looking for danger signs. Parents and teachers need to look for and identify any danger signs discussed previously. Even friends, if they find someone using drugs or alcohol, they should not hesitate to bring this to the notice of the parents or teachers in the best interest of the person concerned. So, the friends, if they find any signs, it should be brought to the notice of the parents and teachers. And appropriate measures would then be required to diagnose the malady and the underlying causes. Then we will find out the cause. This would help in initiating proper remedial steps or treatment. Okay. Next, the last measure is seeking professional and medical help. A lot of help is available in the form of highly qualified psychologists, psychiatrists, and de-addiction and rehabilitation programs to help individuals who have unfortunately got into drug and alcohol abuse. With such help, the affected individual with sufficient efforts and willpower can get rid of the problem completely and lead a perfectly normal and healthy life. So, now we have completed lesson 8. The last topic is prevention and control. What are the different measures to prevent and control the drug and alcohol abuse? Avoid undue peer pressure, education and counseling, seeking help from parents and peers, looking for danger signs, seeking professional and medical help. I hope you understood the concept, prevention and control of drug and alcohol abuse. Next class we will discuss about book back exercises, and also we will start next lesson, that is biotechnology. Thank you, students.